Inside you is a damp construction site that never closes. Most people imagine their skeleton as something dry and rattly, a chalky frame like the plastic ones hanging in school science labs. That picture is completely wrong. Your skeleton is wet, permanently. Living bone is about 25 to 30% water, threaded through with blood vessels, living cells, collagen fibers, and microscopic tunnels that shuttle nutrients and waste around like a miniature underground transport network. So your skeleton isn't dead scaffolding, it's active infrastructure. Inside your bones, two groups of microscopic workers are locked in a permanent cycle of demolition and rebuilding. The demolition crew are called osteoclasts. Their job is to dissolve old bone. The builders are osteoblasts. They lay down fresh bone in its place. Together, they run a process called bone remodeling, quietly replacing your skeleton piece by piece. Over roughly 10 years, most of the atoms in your skeleton will have been swapped out, which means the bones you'll have a decade from now are chemically almost an entirely different skeleton. The body is effectively running a long-term renovation project while you go about your day. And bone isn't just quietly replacing itself. It's also paying attention to how you use it. Bone is stronger than concrete by weight, and it adapts to stress. Lift heavy things and your skeleton thickens to cope. Spend months not using a limb, and the bone begins to thin. Your skeleton is literally taking notes on your behavior, which means that right now, beneath your skin, there's a wet lattice of living tissue quietly tearing itself down and rebuilding itself while you're reading this. The body demolishes the house and rebuilds it while you're still living inside. Humans are weird. Subscribe for one strange science fact about the human body every day. Weird humans. Share the weirdness here. Share the newsletter.